Before discussing the problems, we will go through all the formulas in this chapter, students. First formula is distance formula. Distance between 2 points is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We use the distance formula when the word equidistance seen in the question, and also if they ask type of quadrilateral or type of triangle, we'll use the distance formula. Next, moving to section formula. Section formula is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this section formula is used when they are asked to find the point which divides the line in the ratio m1 and m2. We'll use section formula. In short, if the question is having the word ratio, then we have to use the section formula. Moving to midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is nothing but the section formula which divides the line exactly 1:1 ratio. So midpoint formula is used to find the vertex of a parallelogram and also one end of a diameter in a circle. In these two cases, we use midpoint formula. Last and very important in this chapter is area of triangle. Area of triangle is given by the formula of into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We use this formula when the 3 points are collinear. We use the area of triangle when points are collinear and also to find the area of quadrilateral. So these are the 4 important points. First problem. The ratio in which 4, 5 divides the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 7, 8 is. The 4 ratios are given. We have to choose correct among these 4. If A and B are the 2 points and P, 4, 5 is dividing them. As we have used the word ratio, we will use the section formula. Already we know section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. As we don't know ratio, let us assume the ratio as m:1. Here A 2, 3 and B 7, 8 will assume as x1 y1 and 7, 8 as x2 y2. And replacing this ratio m1:1 and 2, 3, 7, 8 in the formula, we will get 4, 5 is equal to 7m plus 2 by m plus n and 8m plus 3 by m plus n. So equating the x coordinates, here 4 is equal to 7m plus 2 divided by m plus 1. Let us take a thick pen. So when division goes to the other side, will become multiplication. So 4 times m plus 1 is 4m plus 4, which is nothing but 7m plus 2. So we will send all m together and numbers together. We'll replace 4 here, plus 2 comes to here, this side minus 2, and plus 4m comes to other end, goes to other end, will become minus 4m. 2 is equal to 3m. So obviously m will become 2 by 3. So the correct option is 2:3. Second question. The horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of a point in a Cartesian plane are called. So you know that graph is nothing but a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is divided with horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. So the correct option is x-axis and y-axis. We'll do the third question. The line 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 divides the line joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7 internally in the ratio. So 4 options. As we discussed earlier, there is a word ratio. So we are going to use the section formula. There are 2 points, A13 and B27 is given, and also they have given the line. So first we find the 2 points and replace the points in the 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 to get the ratio. So once if you replace the ratio as k:1, which we don't know, we are assuming as k:1, and 1, 3 will take as x1 y1 and 2, 7 will take as x2 y2, and replacing in this formula we will get 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 and 7k plus 3 by k plus 1, and we are going to replace this point P in the given equation. What is the equation? 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. So if you replace the equation 3x, x is 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 9 plus y is 7k plus 3 by k plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. After simple calculation, we will get 4k minus 3 is equal to 0, 4k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 3 by 4. As already we discussed, 3 by 4 is nothing but 3:4. So correct option is 3:4. Fourth question, the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A minus 2, 8 and B minus 6, minus 4 is. So we have to choose correct options among these 4. You know the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. We assume this points as x1, y1 and b minus 6, minus 4 as x2, y2 and replace in the formula. So formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. Simple calculations, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we already know x1 is given by minus 2 and x2 is minus 6 divided by 2. y1 is 8 and y2 is minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 2 minus 6 gives you minus 8 by 2. 8 minus 4 is 4 by 2. We all know the value of minus 8 by 2, minus 4. 4 by 2 value is 2. So correct option is minus 4, 2. The question, the distance of the point P23 from the x-axis is such a easy question. From x-axis it will be obviously 3 units. The reason is, if you see the Cartesian plane, the point 23 is located here. So this point is how many centimeters away from x-axis? This is x-axis. So it is 1, 2, 3. 3 units away from the x-axis. So correct option here is 3. Sixth question, the distance of the point 4 minus 2 from y-axis. This is the similar question to fifth question. In the fifth question they asked distance from x-axis. Now they are asking the distance from y-axis. So to find the answer we have to use the graph for better understanding. 4 minus 2 lies somewhere here, right? 4 minus 2 lies here. So from y-axis 4 minus 2 located how many distance? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many units away from y-axis? So answer is 4 units. Solve the question. The distance between the points 1, 4 and 4, 0 is. Solve this problem. We have to use the distance formula. We all know the distance formula, which is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we are going to apply x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the formula. So distance between the 2 points is root over x2. We know that it is 4 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2. y2 value here is 0. y1 is 4 whole square. So d is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square. 0 minus 4 value is minus 4 whole square. So 3 square value is 9. Minus 4 square value is 16. Negative 4 square. Negative into negative is positive. So which gives you root 25. Nothing but 5. So the distance between the 2 points is 5. 8th question. The points 3, 2, 0, 5, minus 3, 2 and 0, minus 1 are the vertices of a quadrilateral. Then what type of a quadrilateral is it? To find the type of quadrilateral, we have to draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral and mention 4 points as A, B, C, D. So there are some conditions you have to know to find the type of quadrilateral. So to find the type of quadrilateral, first of all we have to use the distance formula, which we discussed during formulas. So to find the type of quadrilateral, we have to find the distance formula for 4 sides and 2 diagonals. If all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then it is square. If all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then it will be a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then parallelogram. Let us see what type of a quadrilateral is this picture is. So we have to find the distance between all 4 sides and also 2 diagonals. The distance between all 4 points, all 4 sides we are discussing. AB, the distance between A and B is, I have calculated using the distance formula, which is root 18. BC is also root 18. CD is root 18 and AD is also root 18. Here all sides are equal. Now it is not enough. It might be a square or a rhombus. We can't decide whether it is a square or rhombus. To find the accuracy, to find a quadrilateral, we have to find the distance between diagonals. Here the distance between AC diagonal is 6 units and also the distance between BD diagonal is 6 units. Already I calculated. So here all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Clearly, if all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then these vertices belongs to square. So correct option here is square. With vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0. Here 0, 0 indicates origin in a Cartesian plane. Let us see a Cartesian plane and representing the 4 vertices as A, O, B. So to find the perimeter is nothing but adding all the sides. Let us see. The distance from O to B is 3 units clearly, and also the distance between O to A is 4 units, and the distance between AB. So distance between AB is, use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square. Here 3 minus 0 whole square is 3 square, and y2 minus y1 whole square. 0 minus 4 whole square is 4 square, which is nothing but 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, which is 5. So this length is 3 units, 4 units and 5 units. So which indicates 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So correct option is 12.